AI is the hottest thing in CX right now. But here's the truth. AI alone will not fix your customer experience. That's right. And today we're talking about how to use AI the right way in your contact center. First and foremost, AI is not a magic bullet. Just because someone slaps AI powered on a product doesn't mean it's good. So here are 3 things that you should be looking for AI to do in your contact center. First, make sure it helps agents by automating repetitive tasks like logging calls or doing summarization for interactions. Second, make sure it provides real-time insights so supervisors can coach agents before problems escalate. And third, make sure it can handle simple self-service requests like checking order statuses without frustrating customers. Now that's all the stuff AI should do in a contact center. Here's what AI shouldn't do. AI should not replace your best agents, because AI should instead enhance human interactions, not remove them. AI should not be a one-size-fits-all solution. Just because a chatbot works for retail doesn't mean a chatbot's going to work for healthcare. And AI should not be creating frustrating dead ends. A bot that can't escalate to an agent is a bot that is useless. I worked with one retail company that tried to replace live agents with chatbots to save money. And what happened was they didn't really save money. They ended up watching as their CSAT scores dropped by over 40% in 3 months. So what's the fix? AI assisted agents instead of AI only service. And by the way, if you want to make AI actually work for your contact center, give me a shout, drop a comment down below, and don't forget, this is Brian Nichols from CX Without the BS. Subscribe for more straight talk on customer experience.